Good morning. Now I've made this document here to share with you, into which you can record all your learnings with the microbit and the Arduino Uno. The class has done all of those, or you guys should have done all of those there listed on this document, in which case you tick, you have done it, and I agree or disagree. And now we're looking at the Arduino Uno activities, starting soon. And they go like so, and they get more and more complicated. Now the first Arduino activity is making the onboard pin 13 flash and making the pin 13 flash an external LED. Well, I've just built that here. Let me talk about it with you. Now, I'm using the GND, or the negative, or the ground, or neutral, whatever you want to call it. It's a black cable that goes to this negative line here. All those are ground, and the LED's into that, which is the cathode. The anode of the LED goes into a leg with a resistor. Along it goes, and it goes the yellow one, which goes into pin 13. Pin 13 is the same as this onboard LED. So the onboard LED will flash, else will the one through the breadboard. The purpose of the resistor is to reduce the current through the LED so that it doesn't actually fail, because the Arduino, these push out 5 volts, which is too much for these things. These like 3 volts, so the resistor resists the current and reduces it for the LED. Each LED you're going to put into this board, all the way down here, will have its own resistor. Now, I have built that simple algorithm in and when the LED starts up, I've made a variable using that. I've made a variable called time. I made it 1 second. Pin 13 goes high, which is on, for a second. Pin 13 goes low, which is off, for a second, and it loops around forever. Okay? Now, and then what you can do, you can actually play with this number here and make it go faster and faster until you can't see it flash. Each time you make a change, like with the microbit, you upload it. You'll see it making the machine code. It flashes once, and there we have the off-board LED and on-board flashing at 0.1 of a second. Okay, that's what you have to do. Thank you.